from Delhi. I love dancing and acting. If someone asks me what is dancing and acting for me, I simply reply, it's my passion.
Hi friends, I'm Yamini from the beautiful city Delhi. For me, dancing is my duty and my dream.
I'm Devendra from Singrauli, Madhya Pradesh. I love singing. It's my passion.
Hi guys, this is Sanket from Goa.
So friends, I'm coming in Nature's Dance reality show.
Catch me up for more surprises at the audition.
Keep watching because I'm gonna rock the show.
मैं आ रहा हूँ ऑडिशन में धूम मचाने.
Keep watching P Square Entertainment's Nature's Talent.
Namaskar, I am Manisha Gulyani. Keep watching P Square Entertainment's Nature's Talent.
Hello everyone, Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Khamba Dhanu. I'm Pooja and Manju. Keep watching P Square Entertainment's Nature's Talent. I'm very excited to see all of you on Nature's Talent reality show.
Participate in the show and to know more, log on to www.psquareentertainment.com.
रंग तो पे वारी तोहे देखूंगी.
Give feather to your talent, and to know more about this show, log on to www.psquareentertainment.com. Thumbs up, all the best, keep rocking.